Hi, today in front of me VIVO Y16 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that tap to the sound section. After that we can see here ringtone volume, and just to mute it we should hold and slide to the left side this blue dot. Also have the second way how we can do that. Just first in volume button control switch media to ringtone, and now just by press to the down volume button we should also mute our device ringtone. And we can make it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button and then slide to the down this dot. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.